Hello, today is October 22nd, 2024. Just want to make a quick video about improving your credit score. Usually I'm doing stock videos, but just like stocks are very important to increasing your overall net worth. It's very important that you have a decent credit score in case you need to borrow money, or there's a lot of advantages. Plus you can buy airline tickets or anything else and get cash back. Also, another great thing, use credit card for just groceries or gasoline. A few things I'd like to talk about. If you have a credit card that you're not really happy with, be sure to never close your credit card. That will actually hurt your credit score. And if you're trying to build your credit and you don't understand what's hurting it, you're never really going to get ahead. The next thing I'd like to talk about is credit card utilization. You shouldn't really use any more than 20% of your credit card. A lot of credit cards say 30%, but as a rule, you want to keep it under 20%. And if you really want to maximize your points you're gaining on your credit score each month, stay under 10%. So if you have a $10,000 credit card, do not use any more than $1,000 every month, and you'll get the max points. You can use 20%, and some cards will let you use 30%, but I recommend staying under 10% as a rule, just to get the most points. The next thing, if it's paying your bills on time. There's a due date on each credit card, and you can look it up and find out when it is, because you do not want to miss payments. If you miss payments, that will kill your credit. That's something that you just cannot do if you're trying to build credit. So consistency is definitely the key. Also, if you're opening up a few lines of credit, a lot of times if people just have one line of credit or two lines of credit, it hurts their credit overall, because you don't have enough basically credit history, or not enough. You're not reporting enough spending to these credit card bureaus. If you're just getting started, I would suggest a secured credit card. As you know, credit cards are revolving credit. It's crucial that you say your due date's pay on the 20th. You can pay a couple days before, not a big deal. But you have to keep up with it and stay consistent. There's other ways to build your credit. Also check into installment loans. If you you can open a CD with the bank and borrow against it, and it will build your credit slowly. And this is also actually a higher form of credit than a revolving credit. And is a much better place to start if you have $10,000 or something sitting in the bank account that's not really doing anything for you. Use it to build your credit. That's excellent use of your money. The main thing is download the right app, and you can keep up your credit score. Credit Karma is a good app. Also, Chase Bank is a bank that I bank with that has my credit score. Every Friday I can check my credit score. A lot of these banks don't have an app, so I would suggest switching to a known bank like Chase Bank that has an online app that you can actively check your credit score and keep up with it. That should help you out a lot. But you know, it's a process. Rome wasn't built in a day. It takes time to build your credit. You know, and another things, you know, you can check about the points that credit cards give. You know, you can get Visa Gold or Chase Sapphire, which give up to 5% on gas, travel. You know, it just really depends. You have to look into the card and see what's best for you. Appreciate everyone liking this video. Please hit the like and follow if this helped you any. Trying to get this account monetized, so you know, please share it with someone. If you have any comments or questions about today's video, I'll be more than happy to answer, and I'll actually do a deep dive into any questions you might have in future videos. Also, just looking over at my stocks today, NVDA still doing exceptionally well. Carvana having an amazing week. Also bought some shares of Vista Corp, ticker symbol VST, at 125.60. And just looking at my portfolio overall, it's doing exceptionally well. Great time to invest. We got Eli Lilly having earnings this week. Been buying Eli Lilly right there under $910 a share. Also sold my shares of Jamia Technology for a small profit. Congratulations to everybody that bought into Donald Trump technology. It did exceptionally well. It's trading over $30 a share now. Also, basically just continuing the dollar cost average NVIDIA, just because it's starting to surge. You know, I made my own projection that NVIDIA should go north of $170 by January. So you know, things are looking good. I'd say we're going to see stocks take a dip right before the next rate cut. So around the 1st or 2nd of next month, I will definitely be buying heavy into NVIDIA, as well as Carvana and a few other companies. So you can check me out on TikTok Live and Instagram Live between 8:30 and 9:30 a.m. Also, you can get a free stock from Webull in the comments below. Just click on the referral link. It's totally free. You got to find a brokerage to use. Webull's the way to go. It's the only brokerage I use to day trade between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m. Gives you a edge over the competition. It's you know, if you're day trading NVIDIA or other large tech companies, you've got to have an edge. You don't want to be stuck day trading NVIDIA or another tech company that's really volatile. You know, some news comes out, something happening in China, and it's down 2%. You want to be able to cut immediately. You know, save the profits that you've made already. You know, NVIDIA's fell twice this year, more than 9%. You know, it still bounced back nicely. NVIDIA's still my #1 stock. And, you know, just from personal experience, Webull has made me a ton of money day trading. You know, if you're stuck in Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or some of these other brokerages, you can't really start the day trade till 7 a.m. And you're just missing out on too much profits. You know, it's always important for me personally to lock in those gains. You know, I mean, back in January, I'm locking in $2,000 every morning. You know, easy as can be, and then just buying the dip when the market opens. I appreciate everyone watching this video. I'll make another one next week. If there's any stocks you'd like me to talk about, leave them in the comments below. Hope everyone has a very profitable week.